Okay, so let's talk about the popular Pythagoras theory. Many persons use this theory every day in physics, in maths, engineering, and all of that. But they don't know how to prove it. So I'm going to show you today. Okay, so this is a simple popular that says a squared equals b squared plus c squared. How did you know? How do we know that this is correct? Okay, so I'm going to use geometry to prove this. So I'm going to draw a square. I'm going to draw a square. Inside this square, I'll draw another square. So I'll make here as my center, 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 center. So I'll join them together. Join this, join this. So I will take one of these parts to be B. Here will be C. Here will be B. Here will be C. Here will be B. Here will be C, B, and C. Just like that. Now, this other side, this other square, inside the square, we have a common side which are A, and A, because all the sides are equal. Now the next part is going to be using the whole of this now, as you can see, is B plus C. And the whole of this, as you can see, is also B plus C. So the area of this entire square, I'll call it M, will be B plus C multiplied by B plus C. So if I expand this, I'm going to have B squared plus 2BC plus C squared. That is the area of the entire square. Now I'm going to take the area, because for me to get this square inside, is going to be area of the bigger square minus area of these 4 right angle triangles. Okay, so that means I'm going to find the area for one of these right angle triangles. So the area of the triangle, I'll call A, is half of the base times height. And what is the height? The height is C. So replace it with C. And that will give you BC over what? Over 2. But I have 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 of them, which is 4A, will give me 4 times BC over 2. So this cancels this. I'm going to have 2BC. So the area of this 4 right angle is 2BC. So the area of this square inside will be the area of the entire square, which is M, minus area of the 4 right angle triangle, which is 4A. Now, area of the entire square is B squared plus 2BC plus C squared. The area of the 4 right angles is 2BC. 2BC. So you can see that you have B squared plus 2BC plus C squared minus 2BC. So this will cancel this. And what is your M minus 4A? And that is the area of the square here. Area of this square, which is length times length, which is A squared. So the area inside will be A squared. And that will be M minus 4A. So you can see that M minus 4A, which is A squared, is now equals to B squared plus C squared. So this is a simple way of proving Pythagoras theory. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more of these videos.